SellerSprite has been on the market since 2016. In the previous years, it's popular mainly in China, and the last few years, 3 years or something like that, we go to abroad and international. Now we grow outside of China as well. We always say each and every single successful Amazon sellers in China use SellerSprite, because if you go to in the street or everywhere in the China, you say, "Do you know SellerSprite?" Any e-commerce seller know it. It's pretty famous, and also the SellerSprite is one of the two or maybe even two biggest Amazon software in the world. One of the biggest is SellerSprite. So we get the data, keyword search volume, or Google Trends, everything. We track everything since 2017. Meanwhile, when we analyze the data, keyword search volume, keyword history, sales history, product history, everything, you're gonna see you can analyze even back to 2019, September, or 2017, January, something like that. We track everything since that time, 2017. And it's very comprehensive, AI integrated. We have 5 AI tools integrated to SellerSprite. Maybe you don't need to work by yourself. You just click button and the AI will do everything for you. You can see the report. Even if we analyze and give you some summary about the report, how you should do it, how you can do it, or how you shouldn't be doing.